It may seem that way because it's loud or what have you, or just seems like it's going faster, but well, I know that's not true.
We're all going Mach 2.
The number one myth is that it's always the rider who's speeding, doing something wrong that must have contributed to the crash.
In general, motorcyclists do get a bad rap. We're just people that love to ride and love the open road. It's our way of getting away from the everyday world.
The biggest myths is that, motorcycle riders are mean people, right? The outlaw riders. All the riders I know are, they're all teddy bears. And so it's good. Riders are very involved with their communities, a lot of the poker runs and charity events.
My favorite motorcycle myth is that all my clients are Hell's Angels or outlaws. It couldn't be farther from the truth, although some of them are.
It's a myth. Motorcycles are hard to see. The research does show that drivers often don't perceive them or appreciate that they're there, and that has more to do with those drivers' expectations than anything else.
We're invisible. That's a big joke.
You're risking it out there, and so I find that we're generally, for the most part, way more careful. We have our lives in our hands literally, and so we're generally the ones that are being attentive and careful on the roads.
Just because that guy was doing it doesn't mean every motorcyclist rides like that. I think it's important that your attorney understands that and then can help you overcome it.
You're hyper acute to what defensive driving is. Not only are we worried about what we're doing, I've got to worry about what everybody else is doing and why.
Insurance companies, when there's a wreck involved, they're out to do one thing, and that's save their money. That's it. They're out to save their dollars and not pay you what your case is worth.
Never call the insurance company first, because what the insurance company is going to do is they're going to show up, they're going to try to get you to sign a piece of paper that you don't understand, that's going to give away your rights, and then you're not going to get compensated.
UM stands for uninsured motorist, and then UIM stands for underinsured motorist. So what those two coverages are is that's the only way in an insurance policy that you can protect yourself. And again, in Minnesota, those are benefits that you have to add on to your policy.
Maybe it can't hurt, let's say that. Doing a weave or any strategy like that, flashing your headlights, it's really about the change that they're noticing.
Most of us get into practice of law, believe it or not, to help people. At the end of the day, what gives me purpose is that I can help somebody.